If you're looking for self-hosted, open-sourced identity providers, then there are many to choose from. Today we're having a look at Keycloak. We're also going to have a look at Authentik. We want to know what they offer, how they can benefit you, and why it's even worth your time exploring their tools. Let's have a look at Keycloak now. So Keycloak is an open-sourced IAM for modern applications and services. It offers SSO, user federation, and social login capabilities, and it works with LDAP, Active Directories, and third-party IDPs. Keycloak also features protocol support. So it has protocol standards, it's got authorization controls and administration capabilities. So it's got comprehensive admin consoles, it features user management tools and realm configuration. Keycloak also offers extensibility and security. So you get custom plugins and extensions for specific requirements. It has encrypted storage with advanced session management, and it's clustering support, which gives you a high availability deployment. Okay, so let's have a look at Authentik. So Authentik delivers flexible, self-hosted authentication. It works very well with all major protocols. The platform also excels in environments requiring customizable identity management. It bridges legacy and modern applications. Authentik also offers modular authentication flows. So you can create custom authentication sequences with visual workflow editors. You have an intuitive interface for administering identities, groups, or even policies. And it has a multi-factor authentication with a user self-service capabilities, which is of course also fantastic. Having a look over here at the deployment and access control, it replaces commercial solutions like Okta and Okta. Also, it has rules based on groups, time, and even network location. It has flexible deployment, so Docker, Kubernetes, or infrastructure it uses as code. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.